In this video, I will show you how to fix the Hueneme Negev error in Modern Warfare 3 for console users. If you are using Ethernet, try switching to Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to Ethernet for a stable connection. If you are using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, switch to 5 GHz if your router supports it. Now, go to your console's network settings, manually set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Both of them belongs to Google DNS. Now, for PC users, click on network icon on your taskbar. If multiple networks are available, switch to a different one and try launching the game. Now open Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. ipconfig space slash flush DNS netsh space winsock space reset netsh space int space ip space reset. If it also doesn't help, right-click on the network icon and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click your active network connection and select Properties. Select IPv4 and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternative DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and restart your PC. If it also doesn't help, open IPv4 properties again. Change the DNS settings to preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, alternative DNS 1.0.0.1. Click OK and close all windows. If it also doesn't help, open a web browser and visit 1.1.1.1 to download Cloudflare's DNS resolver. Install it. As you can see, I have already installed it. Now, enable it and try launching the game again. If none of these fixes works, this issue may be related to your ISP, Internet Service Provider or Activision server. Contact your Internet provider or Activision support for further assistance. That's it. You have now learned how to fix the Hueneme Negev error in Modern Warfare 3. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.